Hello viewers, welcome all of you once again to my YouTube channel Out of Box with Anil Pandey. Today just I will take you a day visit with Avalon Park. It is the first tower in Prestige City, Sarjapur, which is being now possession done. People are living there with so many amenities open. So right now you be with the video, don't skip the video. Whoever want to have the resale, want to get on resale of the Prestige City, as hundred of the messages pouring in and asking, so they can reach out to Prestige City Experience Center for authentic information. And why this video will have the inside view of the Avalon day visit, which I have done on 16th September 2025. So this is the first, tower which is being possession is done, Avalon, and after that Eden, Meriden, and Aston will follow. So now you can see, have a glance of the what are the amenities. This Avalon Park in the landmark, Prestige residential complex, Sarjapur, equipped with. Also, it is request to my viewers, kindly subscribe my channel and share also to your contact and friends, so that they can have the update regarding the this information. So right now on your screen, you are just seeing. I'll just show you the swimming pool view also, how it looks in day. And see this the Tower 7, the Avalon Park, and in between you will find a excellent view, well equipped, international standard size of the swimming pool. Just right now on your screen. But to become operational, it will again take a time of near about 1 month. So how beautiful, and this sitting, outlets surrounding the swimming pool is being given. So because that Prestige builder known for E-class builder, not only in Bangalore, of course they have started the work of the residential project in Bangalore, but now it is a pan-India company. You will find their foothold in Mumbai, Hyderabad, Trivandrum, Chennai, and now latest at Ghaziabad. This is a listed company who believe in the customer delivery, because the moment in Bangalore I know the any Prestige project is launched, within a week all the inventories are sold out. So it proves their track record, their financial health, because they are listed company in the share market and known for innovative design and customer satisfaction. So I am again just saying to my viewer, I am not a Prestige agent or Godrej agent. Only the thing, I guide my viewers where the residential, when anybody dream, as you know, in Bangalore, to invest, for their own home, which gives more pleasure, and to find out the safe where they are investing the money, I just guide them, because ultimately it is the buyer who take decision to book his home, and by my video he get the comparison also what the A class builder gives, and also their money is safe. As you know, nowadays it is booking a house is a hurricane task for any individual, because it involves a lot of money. And in that respect, if you just see, this builder fulfill all the fear factors, or which keep away the buyers from the fear factor. As you know, sometime what happen, as per RERA guideline, the inventory supposed to be handed over, any project inventory, in 5 years, 4 years. So but it takes a longer time, where this money is just simply wasted in rented, because ultimately the rent part of the also in Bangalore is too much escalating. So any individual or young investor want to have a investment in the A class builder, where he can get a quantum amount of growth within a 2-3 years, then from these video which I used to put regularly, he can get a insight and decide the growth point of view also, and for their income also. And if they are taking decision to just live in with family, then also because of their tech record, because innovative design, they can have a luxurious life in this builder. So this is what just I am giving you insight of day visit of the Avalon Park. Maximum amenities are now ready, getting operational, leaving only swimming pool because of the safety measure, or some of the NOCs required. Because of that, delays of 1 month is expected here. Again, see the glance of the swimming pool beautifully, and you can glance from the clubhouse also. And there also, now it is fully tower area, entry point also, respective towers are well occupied with the seating, arrangement. A huge lobby, for each tower. So viewer, how you like my this day visit video of Avalon Park? So it is more benefited the people who have booked here, whether in India or abroad, or who may be thinking to buy, resell flats of the prestige city Avalon Park. It is also benefited to them for education point of view. At last, they are the only individual who want to just thinking of buying, so this help them to take a decision after seeing all the amenities and the information which I added in this video. So again, I request to my viewer, kindly subscribe my channel and press bell icon, and do share with your contact and friends, and I will be keep updating you the latest information regarding Eden, Meriden, Aston in the next video. Till then, again, be happy with your family, and at last, thank you for watching my video. thanks once again. We will meet again. Till then, bye.